Hello, this is Laura, and welcome to Become a Fluent English Speaker. Welcome to day 58 of your English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to work on something extremely valuable for real life: professional English communication. Because speaking casually with friends is different from speaking in formal situations, interviews, meetings, presentations, or professional discussions. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt confident speaking casually in English, but nervous during professional conversations? Maybe your words suddenly felt less natural, or you became too careful while speaking. That is what we're going to improve today. Today, you will learn how to sound professional, intelligent, and confident in formal English communication. Let me tell you something important. Professional communication is not about using extremely difficult vocabulary. It is about sounding clear, calm, respectful, and organized. Let's start with a simple idea. Speak with structure. Professional speakers organize their thoughts clearly. For example, instead of saying, "I think this is good," say, "I believe this." Approach is effective because it improves communication and creates better long-term results. This sounds more professional and mature. Now let's go deeper. Use polite professional expressions. For example, "I appreciate your perspective. From my experience, I would recommend," or one important point to consider is these phrases immediately make your English sound smarter and more formal. Now let's practice. Someone asks, "Why are communication skills important professionally?" You respond, "I believe communication skills are extremely important because they help people express ideas clearly, collaborate effectively, and build professional relationships." This sounds intelligent and natural. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called formal response training. Imagine you're in a professional meeting. Someone asks for your opinion. You respond calmly and clearly. For example, from my perspective, consistency and clear communication are essential for achieving strong results in any professional environment. Continue naturally. Now, your second exercise is avoid informal habits. In professional conversations, avoid speaking too casually or emotionally. Instead of saying, "That is awesome," you can say, "That sounds excellent," or "That is a very strong idea." This sounds more polished. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is explain ideas step by step. Professional communication becomes stronger when your ideas are organized. For example, first explain the situation, then explain the reason, and finally explain the solution. This creates clarity and confidence. Now let's practice real conversation. Someone asks, "What is one important skill for career success?" Your fourth exercise is sound calm under pressure. During formal conversations, confidence is more important than speed. Slow down slightly and speak with control. Calm communication sounds intelligent. And now let me share something important. Professional fluency is not about pretending to be perfect. It is about expressing ideas clearly while sounding respectful and confident. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 58. That means your English is not just conversational anymore. It is becoming professional, organized, and powerful enough for serious real-world situations. This is a major level of growth. Now let's do one strong exercise together. Imagine you were introducing yourself during a professional interview. Speak for 1 minute naturally. Start. "Thank you for the opportunity to introduce myself." Continue. Talk about your goals, communication skills, and personal growth confidently. Keep your tone calm and professional. Now let me give you one powerful tip. During professional conversations, focus on clarity more than complexity. Simple professional English is stronger than complicated, confusing English. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone asks, "Why are you continuing this English journey?" You respond, "I continue practicing English because strong communication skills create more opportunities, improve confidence, and help people connect internationally in both personal and professional situations." This sounds professional and natural. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, day 58 complete. And this time, write one professional sentence introducing yourself confidently in English. Keep it simple, but make it polished and professional. This is Laura, and remember, real fluency is not just casual conversation. It is the ability to communicate confidently in every situation, including professional environments. I will see you in day 59. Keep going.